Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Corey. You're watching the Car and Firearm channel. Today we have a o3a3 Remington. It has been sporterized, it has a different stock, the barrel's cut down. If that's throwing you off, that's why. As you know, this rifle came out in 1903. It was basically a copy of the Mauser. After the Spanish-American War, we were pretty much outgunned, so the United States knew that we needed a better service rifle. This is it. It's chambered in 30-06, obviously. 03, 04, and 05, they were, I believe, 30-03 caliber until 06 when the 30-06 came out. When I bought it, like I said, it was sporterized. I actually picked up this rifle for 300 bucks. And there was no fixed sights on it. I put this Diamondback tactical scope on it. It's a 6x24 50mm objective lens. But yeah, it's a pretty good rifle. I'm pretty happy with it. The action on it's very smooth. Very nice rifle. But got some targets set up out there. It's hard to see right now. I got to zoom in, but it's probably about, I don't know, maybe 40 yards. Good backstop. Packed behind it's nothing but woods, thousands of acres. So let's get to it. Shooting regular old 150 grain Winchester ammo. How about we shoot some grenadine? How about that Malibu? Should I shoot that? Some water. No one likes H2O around these parts, I'll tell you what. So we're walking down, see what kind of damage a 150 grain 30-06 does to a plastic jug. Oh dude, you've seen better days. Jeez. No surprise there. This thing, it just got obliterated. Definitely a healthy round. Look at that view. You gotta love Florida. Set back up here, we got a Yoo-hoo, an apple, and as Kentucky Ballistics would say, it's watermelon time. We got watermelon cut in half, one half on the right, one half on the left, and we're gonna see what a 150 grain 30-06 does to it. How about the Yoo-hoo? Let's see what it does. That monster can there. Let's see what that does. Oh, I didn't like that. Well, time to open up a new box of ammo. Oh, actually, found a couple. What else do we got? We got the watermelon on the left-hand side. Let's see what this does to it. That watermelon on the right still standing, but not for long. One more through the old watermelon. Rifle is cleared. We're gonna go walk down range and see what we got. Oh God. Yeah. Yeah. Rip straight through. Golly. Where's the yoo-hoo at? Oh shit. My God. That's the all-American round right there, folks.